Hi, sweet cheeks.
All right, guys.
What are you beating off?
The bracket's off.
Yep. Why can't we turn the distributor?
No.
Is it caught? Whoa, boy. Well, that's not good. Gee, I wonder how many other places...
Was this car running?
Yeah, it drove here.
Oh, I'm just curious.
Hey, guys.
Yeah.
That's no bueno. Scotty, you're beating that like it's your ding-ding.
Oh, no, that gets beaten way harder.
Oh, my God.
Okay. I just want to make sure the bottom was pretty.
Yeah, make sure it wasn't, like, broken.
Yeah, I was like, uh-oh.
I've seen that before. This is nuts.
Yeah, I thought this would be a good video.
Swing, bada. Swing, bada. Oh, we know that's
nuts.
I mean, fuck. Scotty.
Probably try to
Scotty.
go up.
I was going to say beat it up.
Smack it back this way.
Smack it back
Let's see if
square and then beat it up.
Smack my
bitch up! That's the picture! However that song goes.
You know what's scary is how much this shakes. And I know how much big blocks weigh. Okay, hold on once.
Well, that's better.
Wait, hold on. Let me get that.
Can you quit beating it for 1 second, Scott? Good fucking Lord.
Yeah, because I even took a pry bar just to see if it would just kind of pop.
That's not good. Okay, Mr. Burns, let's leave this.
No, I can't leave it.
And pull the balancer, and then you can pull the pan and the timing cover, and we'll see what's going on.
That may be the only way to do it.
Because once timing sits, well, then we can see on the back of the cam where it's stuck or what have you.
Yeah.
That's nice bueno,
yeah.
boys. All right.
Wow.
Good video right there.
Yeah, I guess you're gonna want the balancer puller now.
Yes, sir. Can you bring that?
Yes, I'll go get it for you.
Thank you. About time you did something around here.
You bitch. Good kitty.